Hi, today let us see how to configure yum repo in Centos 8 server. So I'm just created a virtual machine. So this is the virtual machine I have created on Oracle VM VirtualBox. So this is the CentOS 8 OS I have installed. I just taken the server in my putty. So this is the server. So let us start how to configure yum repository in CentOS server. Now we are configuring a local repo. Let us see how to configure the repo and how to install the packages on this CentOS server. For example, if I'm trying to install this NetTools packages, I'm just getting this below error. The error during downloading metadata for repository AppStream. So this is because the repo is not configured properly. This is searching in this repo. This is the repo already, it is available. It is searching, but the configuration is not proper. Let us configure. So the configuration path will be etc m.repos.d cp list. These are the available repos, and we are going to create a new repo named base.repo. See, so I'm just giving label as server. Whatever the label you want, you can give it, and name as server, and we need to provide the base URL. The base URL I will enter it later, and the repo should be enabled. And the GPG check equal to 0. The GPG check is disabled. So I'm just saving this file. Okay, so we need the base URL. The base URL is the location of the packages we are going to install. So let us find what is the base URL. So for that, if you are installing a packages, so the packages will be available. The basic packages will be available in the ISO file. So at first we need to mount our CD ISO image into the server. Let us check whether it is mounted or not. Go to CentOS server, click the settings and storage. So here we can find the CDs mounted, and let us check in the server level whether it is mounted or not. We put lsblk command. So you can see that SR0, the CD is the ROM, that is the CD-ROM that is mounted, that is 11.1 GB. So we have to mount the CD into a mount point. So I will mount it in a /mnt, that is a temporary mount point. Mount /dev/SR0 this device into, I'm just going to mount in a /mnt. So let us check whether it is mounted or not. df-h. So you can see the CD is mounted in the /mnt. So you can see, we can navigate to the mnt folder and we can check whether all the contents are listed. And the main thing is we need to check the packages. The packages are available in which path. So I will check in this base OS. So the packages, the repo data, it is available in this path. So I will take the path by the command pwd So the path is /mnt/base/os. So this is the base URL. We need to provide it into the repo. So I'm just editing the repo file. So sorry. Base.repo. I'm just providing this base URL as I'm just configured the local repository as a file. We need to provide the path. The path is /mnt/base/os. So you can save this, and now the repo is configured. So let us clean the repo, clean any cache, and let us check whether we are able to install the okay. So we are getting the error as error during downloading metadata. So maybe because it is searching in this repo. So what we are going to do, we will go to the path. I'm just so it is searching for the packages in this repo, base.repo. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to move all the files, or otherwise you can rename it, but I'm just going to move this file to other path. Let us see. I'm just moving to /var. So I'm just checking here, only base.repo is found. Let us clean it, and we will try to install the NetTools packages. Yes, it is installing. I'm just giving yes. Yes, it is installed. So the NetTools packages are installed, and it is complete. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video.